Arkansas EPSCoR pushes for real solutions to problems facing our state, nation, and world economies. Arkansas researchers are using cutting-edge science to address a problem facing many of our nation's industry stakeholders: threats to the global food chain. Extreme temperature variations and a shrinking water table threaten food production in the United States, particularly in places like Arkansas, where agriculture is a major economic driver. Extreme weather variations like drought have a profound effect on Arkansas's economy, which produces on average $3.2 billion in exports on poultry, cotton, rice, soybeans, catfish, and other goods. According to a newly released NCDC drought report, 37% of states are showing signs of increasing drought conditions. Recent years have brought damaging drought and flooding conditions to Arkansas, as well as several other states in the upper Midwest and lower Mississippi River Valley region. Continued drops in the water table will force farmers to tap deeper into the Memphis-Sparta aquifer to meet their agricultural needs. Failure to address these stress conditions has implications that reach far beyond our borders to those of our primary export partners, including Canada, Mexico, China, Japan, South Korea, and Singapore. Arkansas EPSCoR has mobilized our state's finest scientific experts to identify new plant strains that are resistant to heat stress and require less water. At the Arkansas Center for Plant-Powered Production, top researchers are finding ways to protect our water table by expanding our knowledge of stress factors affecting plant growth. The Scanalyzer HTC helps to identify plants that can tolerate extreme stress conditions. This data helps P3 researchers provide useful information to Arkansas farmers who support the global food chain. In her EPSCoR-supported lab at Arkansas State University, Dr. Arhelia Lawrence uses the Scanalyzer HTC to map out characteristics of rice and other plants. This helps to determine which varieties can handle environmental stressors better than others. P3's efforts have also created a consortium with the mission of eliminating threats to our nation's food chain from the ground up. The P3 Center includes 5 research campuses and employs the efforts of over 40 faculty participants from multiple disciplines. By better understanding what stresses crops grown in Arkansas, our researchers are able to provide timely and relevant information. The details that farmers need to know about which crops can tolerate extreme weather events and reduce the strain on the declining water table in Arkansas, as well as other agrarian states. Technology like the P3 Scanalyzer HTC and support for researchers collaborating from around the state make it possible for Arkansas EPSCoR to dig in and unearth solutions for strengthening food security while protecting the agricultural jobs that feed the U.S. and the world. With your support, Arkansas EPSCoR plans to continue providing real solutions to real problems facing our state, nation, and the world.